This is H1 and 15-minute time frame of gold, and you have this clear yielded wave count for various trend started from 1998. It has completed its 5 wave decline with ending diagonal in fifth wave, which is clear on 15-minute time frame. And if you have read that book, then ending diagonal confirm instant trend reversal and market bottom. And now it is confirmed by break of high of this fourth wave. If this bottom near 1874 breaks, then you can expect 1800, otherwise trend reversal has been started. To get our upside and downside support and resistance, we will go to H4 time frame, and you can see price has tested all of the support 1895 and 1879. If this 1879 support level breaks, then gold can go up to 1800. And for a bullish trend reversal, price has to successfully break this 1918 resistance level, then breakout can confirm a upcoming bullish trend and you can buy on retest. But next target will be $2000, and if price breaks above $2000 again, then major bull market for gold is coming, and this time it will go 2100. But before that it has to break this 1918 resistance level. If we go from H4 to daily time frame, then we have this complete trend from 1676 to 2070, and we have this complete yielded wave count, wave W, then correction in wave X and wave Y subdivided into 1 3 4 5 impulsive wave. And our correction started from 2070 to 1873 has been completed, and market has made 50% retracement, and it has tested successfully this support zone between 1920 and 1873. And if this is a valid bottom and correction has been ended, then new impulsive way after this 50% retracement can easily break this all time high, and it can easily go up to 2100. And all of this depend next week FOMC, because we already have negative GDP and higher inflation, which confirm effect of Ukraine Russia crisis. If this 1873 level breaks, then next target will be 61% retracement at 1827, and this trend line. If market break this 1873 low, then you can compare from 1920 to 1827 will be almost $100 price action. But before that we have 1873 bottom, and this buyer have their target 2000 then 2100, because price is still making higher high higher low, and it is a clear uptrend, and it is testing support and fifth retracement level. If we go to weekly time frame, then you can see with weekly candlestick price making rejection between this resistance zone, and it has successfully tested 50% retracement level at 1873. If buyer are buying gold and seller are exiting. Then first they will test 2000, then 2100. And during FOMC, if they ignore negative GDP and keep raising interest rate to control inflation, then it can break 1873 and next target will be 1827. But all of this depend on this week FOMC meeting. If we go to monthly time frame and compare this last time gold bullish trend with this time coronavirus bullish trend, then price has made almost similar pattern, a sideways correction. Last time it break downside before rate hike and made bottom on first rate hike, but this time rate hike cycle is already started and both conditions are different. We have inflation and war, so you cannot compare both trend. So we have different condition. If 1873 level breaks, then first target is 1788 on monthly time frame, then 1677, then final target will be 1533, which is only possible if they successfully control inflation and Putin say sorry and Ukraine recover from this war. If we go back on daily time frame, then you can see clearly. If you do not apply Elliott wave and only focus on price action, then it has tested horizontal support, it has make retracement, and next target is 1960 for bulls, and for bearish next target is 1827 and 1873 is our bottom. On H4 time frame you have clear picture. If 1918 resistance break, then you can expect a bullish trend is coming. If 1918 resistance does not break, then first it will break 1873 and test 1827 level, because this trend has already made 38% retracement. To know when is FOMC meeting, you can search Google for FX Street economic calendar. Then based on my time zone, then FOMC meeting is May 4. So they will raise interest rate on this FOMC meeting, but their plan for rest of the year after this negative GDP is important, and investor want to know how they will control inflation and negative GDP, because everyone was expecting inflation is goes back to 2%, but it is already started. And what can happen when they will raise interest rate till end of the year? If insider have the information what Fed will say during press conference, then they already have buy entry at 1873. So next trend of gold will be decided after this FOMC meeting. And you trade on H1 and 15-minute time frame and focus on H4 time frame if these support and resistance level breaks or not.